My name is Sandra Brown. I am from Jamaica. I'm also the aunt of Bamani, tour director. And I just want to give thanks to Bamani because he has made a dream of mine become a reality. Yes, I just want to give thanks to Bamani because he has made a dream of mine become a reality. In 2008, we first discussed me coming to Africa. Because of circumstances, it didn't work out. But I want to say that it's what now, 9 years? 9 years later, that dream has become a reality, and I'm really, really, really happy to be here. It has been an experience. Hearing about it and actually being here in person is really two different things. You hear a lot of negative, and if you believe everything you hear, my God, nobody would have come here. But I'm really glad that I'm here, and I'm hoping to learn as much as I can, about Africa. It has been an interesting thing thus far. Yesterday at the orphanage was really, really something special for me. Yeah, I was moved when Stephanie spoke about our ancestors, like our great-great-grandparents, being taken away by those white devils, enslaving us. And I was really, really, really overcome with emotions. It's not that we don't have orphanage in Jamaica. We do. We have poverty in Jamaica. But I mean, just the thought of what they went through, they being treated like less than human, as if they're nobody. That really pull a string at my heart, and I'm really, really, really grateful that I was here to experience it. And I can tell you that if I live to be 1,000,000 years old, I don't think I'll have another experience like this. And I know that there's more to come because we still have another week or so to go, and I'm hoping to learn much more, as I said before. So thank you, and once again I'm glad to be here. All right. Hey.